In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store to download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Now tap on Default Apps. Select Home app available here and tap on Launcher Pro. Then tap on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my app layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and manage all of those. If you wish to go back to your standard launcher, click on HONOR Home in the same settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!